Hi, my beautiful friends. This is Dolly Jain, and as you know, in all my drapes, I use these metallic belts, and I really love them. Uh, Firstly, because I think they keep your shoulder pleats in place, and secondly, it is because they enhance your waistline and they look super sexy. Uh, in all the silk saris, in all the kanjivarams and valkalams and banarsis, I really like to use it because the sari fabric is so thick. So once you have something on your waist, it just keeps all your pleats in place. So this Drape Divaa company had sent me this belt earlier. See this, and this was for waistlines from 28 to 32, and this has this hook kind of a thing, if you can see, and you can just adjust it according to your waist. It's like this, and I really like them because it's very good quality ones, and I use it on a lot of my brides. So then I just said them that, what if my bride or the bride's mother wants to wear and her waistline is more than 32. So then they came up with this, which has this chain kind of a thing. So if you can see, yeah, look at this. It has this chain and it has this loop hook kind of a thing here. And you can just fix this according to your waist. See? So it's this, I really like this, and it just enhances your waist. If you can see this. Am I not looking hot? So I think it's really nice buy, and the Drape Divaa company is selling this. You can just get in touch with them, and I can provide the number. I think it's 700-383-6096. You can get in touch with them at even drapedivaa@gmail.com. Is that right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So go and get one for yourself, and please do wear saris and wear these belts and post me a picture. I'm going to repost it in my story for you.